With this animation making idea, you can earn money from YouTube. By creating these videos, for example, I just made these animations using artificial intelligence. I told the AI to make fruits playing football, and it created these professional animations for me. Stay with us in the rest of this video. I'll teach you step by step how to create these professional videos and make money from them on YouTube. Stay tuned for the rest of the video. First of all, to create an image with AI, we first generate the image, then we turn that image into an animation using another AI. To create an image, we need to write a suitable prompt using ChatGPT AI. You go to ChatGPT AI, you create an account with your Gmail. Now, I told the AI that I want to create an image of fruits playing football on a football field. Give me a suitable prompt. I send exactly this text. The AI starts generating a suitable prompt for me, and I copy that entire prompt. After you've written the prompt, we want to use two different AIs to create the image. The first AI is Leonardo AI. We go to the AI website. You create an account on this site using your Gmail. Once you've created an account on this site with your Gmail and logged in, you enter the same prompt we wrote using ChatGPT here. Make sure to set the image size in this section and then click the send button. These are sample images that the AI has created for me. You can download several of these images completely for free. The next AI that is suitable for creating images is FreePix AI. This AI is completely free, and this website has the capability to generate images using AI. You can use this website to create images with AI. You go to the website and create an account with your Gmail. Here you click on this section and paste the same prompt that we wrote using ChatGPT. When you enter the FreePic website, set the size here in this section. The AI starts generating the image for you. These are some sample images that the AI created for me. How many of these images will you download? Let's go and turn these images into a video for ourselves using another AI. In this video, we are going to use 3 different AIs for video creation. The first AI is this website. You can install its apps from Google Play on your phone and use this AI on your mobile device as well. You go to the AI website and create an account with your Gmail. This AI is one of the most accurate and professional video generating AIs out there. When you enter the website and sign up for the first time, this AI gives you 1,100 free credit. You need 30 credits to create each video. Once you're in the AI, you click on this section. When you enter, you upload your images here. You upload the images one by one. And here, I just told the AI to turn this image into a video. Right now, I told the AI to turn this image into a video where the fruits are playing soccer. And when I click this button, it starts creating the images for me. We upload the other images we've created again and click this button. Let's upload the images so we can start. The AI will create the video for us. Let's go so I can introduce you to the next AI as well. The name of this website is Clinic AI. You search the name of the site on the internet. You enter the website. You sign up with your Gmail account. This website is also one of the most accurate and professional AI video generators. Create an account on this site with your Gmail. Upload the image and enter this text. It starts converting the image into a video for you, which you can also do using this website. Once you've entered the AI and created your account, when you enter the site and create your account, in this AI, you upload one of the images you've created here. Here, I set the video duration to 10 seconds, and it starts creating the video for me. Then, set the size here in this section. Friends, you can use these videos in YouTube Shorts and earn money from them. And making these videos is completely simple. You can create these professional videos completely free using this AI. And then you can import these videos into video editing software and arrange them together. Export the videos, make a 30 or 40-second video and upload it to YouTube or Instagram. The videos go viral and get a lot of engagement. Thank you for staying with us until the end of this video. If you have any questions, be sure to ask them in the comments. Thank you for your support.